Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. To begin with, we have outfit number 1, and I'm wearing this gray and white dress with black pumps. They were both fairly cheap, one from Boscov's and one from this department store. I matched it with a long silver necklace to add just that little something, and then I have my hair half up and half down to make it more dressed up as compared to casual. And I did just natural makeup, black eyeliner, a natural lip, and a natural eyes. In outfit number 2, it's a black leather jacket, a black belt, and the same black shoes as the one before. Belt was from Walmart, and the jacket was actually hand-me-down. I matched it with the pink top and the burgundy pants because I thought those colors ties in very well with the Valentine's Day theme. I am wearing these somewhat big earrings that are like a mixture of white beads put together to, in my opinion, it makes it add a little class along with the. So this next outfit is more classy than the other ones. And it is a dress that starts around the collar and ends up going straight down. It has some white ruffles with it, and around the collar is some white sparkling gems. And I matched this, oh my gosh, with the same white earrings with the white beads. And oh, not to mention those earrings are from Claire's. And I decided to keep the bun on top because I just thought it looked really nice. So this outfit is more casual than the rest. It is blue jeans, a blue jean jacket, along with a kind of neutral, natural pink sweater, and the black pumps that you've seen in the last couple of outfits. And I had matched these with hoop earrings and a ponytail because I just thought I didn't really have much like casual outfits, and a lot of people actually wear casual sometimes on Valentine's Day. So I just wanted to add that. So this is my absolute favorite outfit out of all of them. It is a burgundy and silver dress starting at the halter on the top, halter style, and going straight to the bottom. And then I pulled over a black cardigan over it with a silver necklace, the one I usually wear in my video logs, of course. So this outfit is more relaxed than the others, and that was on purpose, of course, and it is a black and white long shirt with the slits on the side, leggings, pumps, and just hoop earrings and a black and white ring. I think it's hard to see. And I got the shirt from Kohl's, the leggings from Kohl's, the pumps from the department store, and the earrings are from Claire's.